Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the watch number 2 from Oraimo. Yes, it just got mine today, so I decided to unbox it with you guys. Wow, the packaging is nice. I love the colors. So let's check it. Alright, here's the package. Inside here should be our manual. I think, yeah, here should be our manual. And right here is the smartwatch. This is the watch number 2. Alright, we'll get back to that. Let's check what else is inside the box. Okay, I think this is the charger. Alright, here's the charger. Alright, it's a magnetic charger. Alright, so nice. Alright, I heard it comes with extra straps, so I'm going to confirm it. I think it's right here. Oh yeah, yes, it's, but it's kind of different from the one that came with the watch. Look at the difference. I think this one is more better. The texture and everything of this one is more better than this one. This is just plain smooth, and but it's nice, yeah. At least when this one gets damaged, you have an extra one to use instead of buying it. Most of those premium watches don't come with it, but this one came with it, and very nice. So let's peel off the alright. So guys, here's the watch. I heard this watch can last up to 20 days on standby mode. Sorry, 20 days of usage and up to 30 days of standby mode. I don't know how true it is. There's the watch. So let's turn it on, guys. Alright, nice. Oh, that's great. Okay, we have the heart rates, exercise mode. This is the exercise mode. This is the I think I also control your camera with it. Okay, that's also nice. Also have a flash mode, stopwatch. This is the flashlight mode. Okay. Alright guys, this is the watch number 2 from Oraimo. I think this is the sensor part. Yeah, you can see this is the sensor part. Alright, that's very nice. So yeah, all the components that came with the watch, aside the box and other stuff, just these 3 components: the watch itself, extra strap, and the wireless charger. Alright guys, thank you for today. So when next, if you love to see the watch, how it functions, how it's being operated, please just give me a like, a follow, and comment. So next we'll check the watch, check it out, the function and everything. Or in our next video, I think we'll just post the next video and check out the watch. Alright guys, thank you, peace.